It's Lisa here from Charterhouse School. I'm the head pastry chef. Hope everyone's well and staying safe. Today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. I'm sure you're going to love them. I've been working on the recipe at home during lockdown, so when we go back to school I'll be implementing them for you to enjoy. So for this recipe you will need to preheat your oven to 175 and get your trays ready with some greaseproof paper. This recipe will make about 10 to 12 chocolate chip cookies. So for the recipe, you begin by adding the butter first to the machine with the beater. If you don't have a machine, you can do this by hand, it's not a problem. So this is the butter and then the 2 sugars going in. Just make sure you get everything in. And then we're going to put this bad boy on. So I was lucky enough to get this machine for Christmas a couple of years ago from the other half. It was on the Santa's list. So that just mixes round. So you're just creaming together the butters and the sugars. So once the butter and sugars have been creamed together, or if you're doing it by hand, you've just beaten it together just till they come together. Then you'd need to add your vanilla essence, just a drop, to the mix. Then you'll need to add 1 egg. That goes in as well. And then you'll need to stop the machine. And then you'll need to add your dry ingredients, which is your flour or cocoa powder if you're making double chocolate chip. And then pop that back down. And then that gets all mixed together nicely. So while that's mixing, just make sure you've got your other ingredients ready, which is your chocolate chips. I prefer dark chocolate and white chocolate, but unfortunately I haven't got any white chocolate today, so it's just going to be dark chocolate chips. So when that's coming together, then you can add your chocolate. Now the recipe calls for about 200 grams of chocolate, so that's what I'm going to use. If you would like to use more, please feel free, however chocolatey you like it. So they've just gone in there now as well. So you're just mixing the dough just till it comes together, okay? So a couple of seconds and it's done, okay? So the dough is ready and it looks like that. Nice dough. Okay, so with the dough, you're then going to roll the mixture and then pop it onto the baking tray. So for this part, you'll have the tray with the baking paper, and then you're going to get a section of the dough and roll them into balls. So this recipe will make approximately 10 to 12 cookies, dependent on how big you want them, obviously. So it's a little bit sticky, the dough. So just make sure you flour your hands a little bit and then place them onto the tray separate. So you'll probably get around 6 to 8 on this tray. So roll the dough. And then once you've placed them on the tray, if you just give them a little flatten, just so that helps them in the oven when they're cooking. So there we go. Last one for this tray. So this is a quick and easy recipe you can make at home. Okay, so you got them on the tray and then we're just going to put them into the oven. So the oven is at 175, so you need to put them in for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. So once 10 to 12 minutes have passed, you can get your cookies out the oven. Lovely, ready. So just be careful as you take them out the oven, guys. Lovely. So once they're out the oven, you need to leave them to cool for 10-15 minutes before you can try them. The dough itself is quite soft, so inside is a little bit chewy, which I like in a cookie. Okay. Thank you very much everybody for joining me today on how to make these lovely chocolate chip cookies. Please send us your pictures and videos to the catering department so we can see how you got on with this recipe. I hope to see you all again very soon. Take care, stay safe. Bye.